want people to know about human trafficking and sexual exploitation?
It's a hustle, it's surviving, it's not comforting, it's a front and it's not reality. You're playing Russian roulette with your life.
People who exploit other people are weak and have self-esteem problems of their own.
Please advocate for officers to continue to receive training in human trafficking to better help identify victims instead of criminalizing people for prostitution. When working with survivors, understand that it takes time to self-identify because it feels as though we are losing a sense of power again. Continue to support us throughout our journey. The identification piece for us will come in time.
Compassion is important. Look past the track marks and the physical characteristics of an addict.
That it isn't just women in a white van. There's a lot more to it, and it can be anyone, anytime.
The person who exploits women has issues within themselves or maybe struggles with past problems.
It's not just girls, it's not just young girls. Anyone can fall prey. Perpetrators aren't always men.
Traffickers are weak and most of the time thrive off of downing others.
It will haunt you.
I would like women to know that there is a way out of that vicious cycle of a lifestyle, that there are people who truly care and help is available.
The longer you stay in, the worse it gets.
It is way bigger than you realize, and it is happening in our own backyards.
It's not always forced by violence. Sometimes it can be finessed or romanticized in the beginning.
People don't want to talk about it or hear about what makes them uncomfortable, and this needs to change. Comfort is a roadblock on our road to progress.
Traffickers show you what they want you to see.
Human trafficking exceeds stereotypical boundaries.
Traffickers are clever and manipulative. They know how to get you exactly where they want you.
It is a very present epidemic in your community that continues to cripple mothers, fathers, sons, and daughters, families that make up the fabric of our society.
Human traffickers come in all shapes and sizes and can have a kind face.
There is pain and trauma beneath the surface of the behavior.
And there is usually a why behind the what.
This has been swept under the rug for far too long.
Traffickers are sick and demented.
For all of the awful things you know about it now, only one layer has been peeled back.
And what doesn't kill you makes you stronger so that you can share with others who are victims.
It is a very real crisis in your community.
The next question that was asked